Namaskar, I am Prakash Astrologer, presenting you for this coming week's weekly horoscope, weekly forecast. Going to talk about Gemini. Gemini, this week, socially you'll be very busy and there will be a lot of mingling, contact established with a lot of new people. Furthermore, with the help of a contact, you'll be able to come across very unique opportunities. Please make sure that your behavior is honorable, especially while in contact with professional people. When you're dealing with decision makers, you got to present your finest side, very finest side, very fine side, and you have to be very polite, presentable. Make sure there is no aggression in your approach. At times, peace of mind will be missing. Your frustration could be sky high, along with deep disappointment. Gemini, please do bear in mind that if you maintain such a state, then the chance of success would be nil. You got to be part of the solution, not the part of the problem. You will face few complications, but you will be able to sort them out. Please do build up your drive, refresh your vision. Be prepared for a few fluctuations, but make sure that you are not oversensitive. And no matter what the situation, do not get carried away. You have to be focused, positive, creative, dynamic. Then success will be there. Task of the week: time to time donate wholemeal atta and sugar to the temple. Take a silver pot filled with honey. Keep it in a safe place in your house. Take 4 kg barley. Feed the birds again and again. Take 500 gram black salt, bury in the ground on Saturday morning. Precaution of the week for Gemini: try not to initiate any kind of an argument or conflict at home or at profession. Try to create a balance between your profession as well as your home. Chanting of the week for Gemini: Harim Om Namo Shivaya Harim. Harim Om Namo Shivaya Harim. Harim Om Namo Shivaya Harim. Do this chanting. Thanks for watching my weekly horoscope. If you're new to my channel, then please do subscribe for more contents like monthly horoscope, yearly horoscope, astrological task, and a lot of miscellaneous astrological concepts. If you have enjoyed this video, then please do give it a like. And also, if you have any comments or questions about yourself, why don't you send me an email, info@prakashastrologer.com. I'll be more than happy to respond to your email. So please leave me your comments below. I'll be happy to respond. I'll be back with a lot more content. Look after yourself and take care. And don't forget to subscribe.